little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Oh, 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 oh.
Welcome to YouTube, it's your girl Miki, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys what I eat in a day. So yeah, please stay tuned for that. Also, if you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Miki. I do videos on fashion, hair, and lifestyle. So if you're into any of those topics, please go ahead and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Okay guys, so in today's video I show you guys one option for breakfast and one option for dinner, and I also show you guys like a few things that I usually eat for like snacks, how I snack around. I'm not like the healthiest person because okay, so I'm like a hard gainer. Like it's really hard for me to gain weight, so I kind of try to pack the calories on wherever I can, like because if I eat too healthy, then it's gonna be hard for me to maintain my weight. So I eat. You guys are gonna see. So I eat some stuff that you guys are gonna be like, this is not what a healthy person would eat. And yeah, so it's my diet is kind of crazy, but I enjoy it. I like my diet. My diet is fun and it's not too strict, so I get to eat like a lot of the crazy I don't know, the stuff that healthy people don't eat. But yeah, please go ahead and watch my video, and also leave a like and let me know if you guys like videos like this, if I should do more what I eat in a day videos. But yeah, thanks for clicking my video and keep watching. Okay guys, so firstly we're starting off with breakfast, and for breakfast we love us some eggs. Okay, so we're gonna be doing boiled eggs for breakfast. So I'm just gonna take out 2 eggs, put them in a pot and get them to boil. I usually boil my eggs for just 8 minutes. That's how I like my eggs. Yeah, so usually I put a plate of water in the freezer. That helps me to shell my eggs afterwards, so you guys are gonna see that. And now I just go ahead and toast my bread, and I just toast 2 slices of bread and get that hot and toasty. Okay, so now we're looking at oats. I love to get like a little bowl of oats for breakfast. So what I usually do is just get the variety pack, so you guys see that, and I just pick out any one. So this time we end up getting the maple and brown sugar, and I love that one. I love all of them. And I just add some milk to that and put that in the microwave for like 3 minutes, and then it would just be perfect. It's like porridge. It's just perfect. So now my toast is all fit and ready to be buttered. And yeah, I basically just make sure there are no corners left behind. I make sure everything gets buttered. Okay, so now I just put that water that was in the freezer, I put the eggs in it, and then I shell the eggs. And basically that's it. That is breakfast. So I have my oatmeal, I have my toast, and I have my eggs. And oh my god, this is such a filling breakfast, y'all. I love this breakfast. Okay, so for snacks, Tostitos is definitely the win. Okay, so I usually like to get the spinach dip, but they didn't have that one at the grocery store, so I ended up just getting the salsa, and it's just as good, to be honest. And I also like to snack on ice cream. I am an ice cream queen. Like, don't play with me and my ice cream. And guys, look, I have this olive oil ice cream. Like, this one, I think it was like a limited edition, and I saw it in the grocery store, and I was like, I have to have it. Like, it's so good, guys. Oh my god, olive oil ice cream. I've never seen it in my life, but it's so good. Okay, so now we're on to dinner time, and I'm gonna get like really detailed with dinner so you guys can see exactly what it is that I do. So okay, so for dinner we're gonna be doing some potatoes, and I'm going to be putting these in the oven, like making like oven baked wedges type vibe. So yeah, these are 2 big and really hard potatoes. Like, these potatoes was like beating me up because it was just like so tough. So tough. But yeah, so I just sliced them into some crazy pieces. I don't really go too hard with like the aesthetic of like making the slices really cute, especially with these hard potatoes. These potatoes are too hard, yo. Like, if they were softer, I probably would have tried cutting them cuter, but I just wanted to get over it with it. But yeah, so I just chop them up into as many slices as they can make, and then I get on with my life. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys see how I do all of that. So now we basically have all our potatoes chopped up and ready, and I'm just gonna add just salt and pepper to it. I'm not gonna really do a lot, and I'm also gonna add some olive oil on them and shake them up so that when we put them in the oven, they're nice and moist and not like drying out and half a day and all of that. So I just kind of mixed it around, and I also do like a little shake with the pan, but I probably don't show you guys that. And then I just put it on a baking tin with some foil paper and throw that bad boy into the oven, and I leave that. Honestly, I leave them for a while. I didn't even check the time of how long I left them on. Okay, so now we're just getting the seasons prepared for the salmon. So yeah, those are just the seasonings that I put on the salmon to make it a little bit more tasty. So I'm gonna let you guys just see all of that. Talk all day, then at night, falling deep. Stimulate me. I want you mental and physically. Okay, so now I'm just putting the season on the salmon and rubbing it in. You guys gonna let it get into the fish, just nice and juicy. And now I'm cutting up some lime. Yeah, that's lime, not lemon. That's lime. Yeah, so I cut some lime up, and then I use some rosemary leaves and some thyme leaves. Just put the lime on it. And I'm going to be throwing the potatoes, like the potato wedges, on this. And honestly, this is optional, y'all. Like, I was just being extra. Like, I was being so extra for no reason. This is not needed. Y'all don't need to put no lemon in nothing or nothing. But it was nice. It was different, and it was a change. But I'm letting you guys know that this part is optional. But yeah, this is the dinner, guys. That's how I did. That's how I do. But yeah, thanks for watching my video, guys. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys like videos like this so I can make more. But yeah, thanks for staying to the end. See you in my next video. Bye.